If you've just started learning Arduino, this is the perfect project for you. You'll learn how to connect multiple LEDs and control them using a simple program. To follow along, you'll need an Arduino, the breadboard, 11 breadboard jumper wires, a USB cable to connect the Arduino to your computer, 10 LEDs of any color, and 10 resistors rated at either 220 ohms or 330 ohms. Once you have all the components ready, connect the circuit exactly as shown in the circuit diagram. After completing the connections, open the Arduino IDE on your computer. This is the sketch we'll use for this project. Now, let's take a quick look at how this sketch works. When the Arduino powers on, it first stores the pin numbers of all 10 LEDs in an array called LEDs using this statement. In the next statement, it stores the total number of LEDs used in the project. Next, it uses this for loop to set every pin stored in the LEDs array as an output. After that, the program enters the for loop inside the loop function. If the for loop condition is true, the first LED turns on. It stays on for 100 milliseconds and then turns off. After a delay of 10 milliseconds, the second LED turns on for 100 milliseconds. The same sequence continues until the last LED. Once the last LED turns off, the program starts again from the first LED, creating a continuous LED chaser effect. Now connect your Arduino to the computer using the USB cable and upload the program. As you can see, the LED chaser is working exactly as expected. The interesting part is that you can create many different lighting effects using the same circuit. All you need to do is change the logic inside the loop function. Let me show you a simple example. In the sketch, change this delay value from 100 milliseconds to 250 milliseconds. Now upload the updated sketch to your Arduino. As you can see, the LEDs move much slower now. Here's a comparison between the two delay values so you can clearly see the difference in speed. And that's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Also, turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials.